Yeah, this is my first workout here at the very new Crunch Fitness, formerly known as Experience Fitness, and they done took over and leveled it up big time. So much different, these equipments here that I have never seen in any other gym before, not even Gold's. All right, this is real nice here. It's just really nice. What I'm sharing here now is just a small portion of what I did in the gym on this here day. So please come back shortly so you can see the full version of my first visit at Crunch Fitness. Crunch Fitness also provide boxing classes. Isn't that neat? They got gloves and everything here. Oh wow, I got a lot to try out. You gotta check back with Silverhead Fitness because what I share in here on this video is just a small tip of the iceberg of what Crunch Fitness have to offer. I will be sharing more video of my first day here at Crunch Fitness on a video coming up in the near future, so please check back. Thank you very much for viewing the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also click that like button, smash that like button, or just make out that you're Rocky Balboa and just punch that like button. And you know, it all starts with movement.